Declining balance depreciation function calculates the depreciation of an asset by a constant percentage each year. Depreciation value of an asset decreases at the end of each year by using declining balance function, or asset loses its self values at the end of each year by using declining balance function. Suppose initial cost of the asset is $500,000. The projected salvage value of the asset is $100,000. As in previous lecture, I have explained that the salvage value of the asset is that the value of asset at the end of its useful life. Suppose life of asset is 10 years. There are 10 periods of assets. These numbers are basically number of years because the life of asset is 10 years. And these numbers are the number of year of asset. This is year number 1, this is year number 2, and so on. Now I calculate declining balance depreciation of the first year by using declining function. Active cell reference C10, click financial arrow button, click DB function. This function has 5 arguments. Cost, salvage, and life arguments have same properties as well as straight line depreciation function. In period argument, type the number of years that you want to calculate the depreciation of the asset. Month is optional argument. This argument is needed when the asset is used for only part of the first year. In cost box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In salvage box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In life box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In period box, select this cell reference, click OK. This is the asset value of declining balance depreciation for the first year. To calculate depreciated values of other years, paste the same formula in other cells. First, make the absolute position of cell references. Click in formula bar, press F4 key, press F4 key, press F4 key. Remain the relative position of cell reference D6 because I want to change the values of period to calculate depreciated values of other years. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to right.